Far away. hands to the one you love the best. Can't shake hands with those we buy. They greet them with a smile, a smile. Raise your hands to one to love the best. And shake hands with those we find. And greet them with a smile. And we'll stay alive. We get through this all the while. Strike a wine and keep the place to rest. Raise your hands to one to love the best. Then shake hands with those we find. And greet them with a smile, smile. All the world is watching. Yeah.
So I think, so with that, so with the intro, with the outro, it's also the intro, and then in the middle, then will be that space for Steve to come in and do the same as the.
Yeah. So the intro is. Yeah. And then once.
Then you come in.
Yeah, once you start with this thing, that just jump right in it, man.
Yeah.
That's my key.
Yeah. So, but normally when they just the guitar intro, then Steve, you do the intro as well, is it? Is that how it goes?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's fixed, is it? I mean, it's.
Well, what we used to do is in 5 parts. We used to do
guitar
intro, then some
voice,
singing, then
sax,
then
voice,
some singing,
and then together.
both together.
Okay.
Well, instrumental to it.
But it doesn't have, you know.
It doesn't have to be. I
go
think
wherever
it's
it
just.
goes, really.
So what we did there pretty much was guitar and then
Voice.
sing,
Yeah.
with a bit of sax coming in, and then
But
end on both.
what we can do is we do the guitar, then we do the sax, and then we do the singing.
Alright.
Yeah. We do that for a while, and
Simpler
then
that way,
we then we repeat it again.
Okay.
Yeah. So we just wait for after Steve, then you just come in,
Alright.
please. Okay. So we next one, or we do that again.
The next one is this.
Yeah,
next one, and we can come back to
pretty
this.
simple.
This one we
Come back and do it if you've got time.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
We've got 4 to do, haven't we? So below the bass line. So it's a chromatic scale.
Did you do this one
Yeah. Is it the
before? Yeah. Oh, the sound now is it? Love is the answer.
Yeah. People, are you ready?
Okay. Okay.
It starts on a C
Yes.
octave. Notice that, that's a G. Then an F.
And then we're back to the C. Back on the C. Back. Simple.
It goes, that's not an F, is it? That's
Back to the C.
B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat,
The bass
Just
line?
bring me in. Yeah, I'll do the bass line. I'll just do the 9 notes bass line. Keep it simple.
So the bass line. Bass line is dum, 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 ba dum, ba dum, dum. It's low.
For 9 notes.
Yeah. Dum, dum,
Yep.
dum, 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 dum. Let me see if I have everything. Da ba 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 da
That's